Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore 529 plan setup with Upromise step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Upromise website. Log in to your Upromise account. If you do not have an account, create one by clicking on the sign up button. Next, navigate to the 529 plan section of the website. Select the option to restore or manage your existing 529 plan. You will need to enter your 529 plan provider information. This includes your account number and any relevant personal details. After entering your details, click on the Connect button. Follow the prompts to link your 529 plan to your Upromise account. Make sure to review any terms and conditions provided. Once connected, you will see your 529 plan details on your Upromise dashboard. Look for the option to set up automatic contributions. Enter the amount you wish to contribute regularly. Choose your contribution frequency, such as monthly or quarterly. Review your selected options carefully. Confirm the setup by clicking the Save button. You may also want to link your Upromise earnings to your 529 plan. Explore the option to choose how you want to apply your earnings. Finally, log out of your account once you have completed all steps. Your 529 plan is now restored and linked with Upromise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.